gentlemen, we're right here in Livingston, and look who we
That's
find
right.
here. Yeah,
all over the place like plastic.
Yeah, man. So give a little shout out to our people in LA and so on and so forth.
Yeah, big shout out to everybody in LA. We're here in Livingston, Labuga for 26th of November to celebrate Garífuna Settlement Day. Yeah, we do it big.
When did you reach Labuga?
I reached Labuga yesterday.
Yesterday, with
Yeah,
family?
I've been partying since yesterday as well. Yeah, yeah. You know the party goes tonight, same thing. Tomorrow, yeah, we party.
Is your group going to perform?
No, sadly,
Not this time.
My group is not here, but I'll be playing with the group from here as well. So,
Nice.
Yeah,
Beautiful. Introduce yourself, because a lot of people may not know you. So,
my name is Ronald McDonald. I'm from Punta Gorda, Belize. I'm the owner of the Warasa Garífuna Drum School. I teach Garífuna drumming, singing, dancing, yeah, and drum making, shaka making, and yeah. So if you wanna, if anytime you're in PG, hook me up, link me up, and we can do something together, yeah?
On my timeline.
ahí está. Este es el producto final de las manos de
Kevani.
Ah. Entonces, ¿qué? ¿Los tienen guardaditos ahí en el hotel?
No, acabamos de venir a comer ahí.
Ah,
But you from you're not really from
no, I was born in Mazatenango.
Mazatenango. Okay. Yes, Mazatenango.
Yeah.
This is
I was.
very Livingston.
¿Pero por qué? Si es lo que te va a dar la fama. Yo sé, pero... Un saludo ahí.
Veneno. Espérate. ¿Puedes cortar? Luego hacemos.
Labuga, Livingston, y tenemos desde Honduras directamente a Genaro, que él se presente, que nos cuente el tipo de música que él toca, y bueno, él está aquí con la Orquesta San Vicente, que van a vaquear aquí a Félix Valentine.
Bueno, buenas tardes, mi gente. Mi nombre es Denis. En las redes sociales soy Chocolatito Mejía y mi nombre artístico es Genaro. ¿Por qué? Porque ¿de dónde viene ese nombre de Genaro? Pues llegamos un día a un pueblo garífuna en Honduras, de que íbamos a una excursión, ¿verdad? Entonces me encontré con bastantes compañeros garífunas, ¿verdad? Me dijeron, yo caminaba curly, aún todavía no tenía rasta, ¿verdad? Entonces yo caminaba mi pelo como con curly. Entonces me dijeron que yo tenía algo parecido a Sankey Panky, el dueño de la película de Genaro. Entonces me pusieron ese nombre, ¿verdad? Entonces desde que me pusieron ese nombre me gustó y dije, ok, ese nombre lo voy a utilizar como mi nombre artístico, ¿verdad? Ahora estamos en el proyecto de mis canciones, que ya tengo 5 canciones. Faltan unas cuantas más para hacer mi primer álbum, ¿verdad? Para todas las personas que no me conocen, y ya en la plataforma de las redes sociales solo tengo 2 canciones aún todavía montadas. Pero muy pronto le vamos a tener las otras canciones, que está Luba Guyurunia, Laro Gubeya, Asaminara, pensando, ¿verdad? Por mi familia y todo eso, ¿me entiendes? Sobre mi vida. Está la otra que es Aguyu, ¿verdad? Está Aguyu. Esa canción la hicimos en el ballet Garífuna, ¿verdad? En el ballet Garífuna. cada persona, cada compañero puso su parte, entonces me gustó, la grabé. Estoy trabajando también en el ballet Garífuna. Vine aquí a Labuga, a Labuga, a celebrar, a conmemorar la llegada del Garífuna. Está mi otra canción que está, la más nueva ahorita, es Labuga Diwayasa. Y Labuga Diwayasa, Wagia Garinago, Wapulie Dali Meño Wanasimo. Sungarinago, Ondera Wama, Agendago Wama, Mugalago, Wanasimo. Entonces esa canción, de repente yo estaba sentado en un negocio, echándome una cervecita, ¿verdad? De repente se me vino esa canción y la hice y ya la canción está sonando ahorita. Hay mucha gente que le gusta y gracias a Dios por darme esa oportunidad de hacer mis propias canciones, y así poco a poco uno va aprendiendo mucho más para tener un éxito en la vida, ¿verdad? Y gracias a toda la gente que nos están apoyando. Espero de que en ese video sea una oportunidad, sea una puerta abierta para mí de nuevo, para que la gente me reconozcan como Genaro, mi nombre artístico, ¿verdad? Y muchas gracias.
Genaro, ¿cuál es tu nombre de pila, el nombre oficial?
Ok, mi nombre es Denis Mejía Ortiz. Soy de la comunidad de Tornabé, ¿verdad? Entonces, eso es lo mío. Estamos en la carrera artística ahora.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the one and only, the number one bass player in Los Angeles, Mr. Enrique Arana, aka Sonny D.
Yes,
Sonny,
sir.
aquí
Yes,
en Labuga
sir.
Livingston, right here in Labuga Livingston. So, you know, we want you to introduce yourself. A lot of people know you already because you used to be the bass player for many, many bands
right.
in Los Angeles.
Right.
And you backed up many, many artists from New York, from Belize, from Guatemala, from Honduras that traveled to Los Angeles to perform. And I remember lately your late band was 501 Band, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also you play bass for Caribbean Dynamics. I mean, the list goes on, but I'll let you tell a little bit of the story of Mr. Enrique Arana.
Yeah, like I said, you know, man, you know, in LA, everybody know who I am. And everything, you know, I miss LA, you know, I ain't gonna say not, you know, but I'm starting my new life out here, you know. I was, everybody knew I was with 501, Caribbean Dynamics and everything. So right now I'm just trying to continue my life, you know, out here, you know, backing up different artists like Felix Gamboa, you know, and all that, you know, just starting a new life, that's all.
Sonny, in Honduras, where do you stay now?
Well, I stay in La Ceiba.
Okay.
Satiller. La Ceiba, Satiller. Yeah.
And I know originally you're from Roatan, right?
No.
No?
Puerto Cortés.
Puerto Cortés.
Puerto
Wow,
Cortés.
next door to Labuga Livingston and Puerto Juarez, man. Yeah, nice,
yes.
nice.
Yeah, Puerto Cortés, but my dad, he's from Roatan. My mom was born right here in Labuga, you know, and then she was raised in Belize. And my dad, like I said, he's from Roatan. So my mom, I have a lot of Belizean blood from my mom's side. You know, my grandma, my mom's mom, she's Belizean, originally Belizean from Danguiga, you know.
Wow.
So I have blood from Guatemala, Belize, and Honduras. You know what I'm
Excelente.
saying? Yeah.
Sonny, so how has it been to adopt, living in the States all of your life really, and then come back to Honduras? How has been that journey?
Well, it haven't been easy. You know, I left when I was 13, you know, so I grew up out there. And I came back when my daddy passed away in '93, you know, for 2 weeks and everything. So I had to get used to a lot of stuff that, you know, that I wasn't, of course, it's not the same, you know, but, you know, on the long run, you get used to it. Honduras is a beautiful city. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful city, but it's, you know, unfortunately, the government is not that good, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I feel good. You know, I feel like things that I didn't do back in the days, I couldn't do, I'm doing it now. You know, I still go places, you know, and I get around. So, but it's like I say, it's not easy, but you know what I'm saying? You learn how to live with that. You know?
I want you to remember some of your good friends that you left in Los Angeles and give them a shout out, brother.
Oh, I got so many. I don't even know where to start from. But you know, I want to say hi to all the 501 members, Caribbean Dynamics members, a whole bunch of friends out there. I can't remember right now, but I just want to say hi to everybody out there, and you know, for them to keep doing a good job. I've seen the 19 out there, man. I think the 19 was so good, you know. It was so good. They're doing a good job, so you know.
Sonny, and to your children in Los Angeles?
Well, man, those are my life, man. You know, I want to say hi to all my kids, you know, Chris, young Chris, Danny, Enrique, Marcy, Sharon, Isabella, Danny. You know, I want to say hi to all my beautiful kids out there, you know, and I love them, you know.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Sonny, well, appreciate, man, the love that you have for your children, the love you have for the culture, for the people, for all of us, for even for us as your friends. You know, we've been, we've known each other for so long, from the early 90s, when you were part of even Honduras Combo, right?
Combo,
man,
yes, man.
Iban. Oh my God, if we
man,
go back, man, we will never end this interview.
Yes. You know.
But I remember the days of Ibayani. That's the most prolific band that I remember.
Yes.
You guys were all over the place. You played every freaking weekend and every day of the week.
It was everywhere,
and it was non-stop.
And one thing I used to love about that you go to places for free, you know what I'm saying? Because you're playing with a band, so they take it to New York, Houston, you know, and everywhere. That's the beauty about being a musician out there, that you get to know places through the band, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Appreciate it, Sonny. Thank you for the time, brother. But final word,
a special hi to Chukupe, Tachu, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you, Labuga, you my homie, you know what I'm saying? You know, we go a long way back, man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
You know, just say hi to everybody out there.
All right, lead that down. Gentlemen, we're right here in Labuga, Livingston today, the 25th of November, one day ahead of the big celebration of the Garífuna Settlement Day, led by the chief Marcos Sanchez Diaz in 1802 when they came to the land called Labuga. And we have Sea Wheels.
Yo, I'm glad to be here. We're here to celebrate the Garífuna Settlement Day. Labuga. Tonight I'll be live in concert right here at Chill Out Place.
Yes, man. So this is your first time, right? Sea Wheels in Labuga?
No, this is actually my 4th time performing.
No way.
In Labuga.
What years were you here before?
I believe 16, 17, and 19.
So you're no stranger to this land, right?
No. This is all my family here.
Yeah, man. Yeah. And so, what are your expectations for tonight? I know it's right now. When we got off the boat, we had about 3 boats full of people from Honduras coming from La Ceiba and Sambo Creek, and they came with us. And so this thing is gonna explode. So
and it's also the same from Belize. We have so many boats coming in earlier today. Wow. So I believe it's gonna be an amazing show, a great show tonight. So come celebrate with us.
Beautiful. So the people that you saw coming from Belize were mostly from PG or Dangriga or
they came
Hopkins,
from,
probably only you.
Hopkins brought a big car from Hopkins too.
Yeah, big up. All right.
Yeah, so it will be nice tonight.
Yes, man, excellent. Thank you so much for the interview, brother.
¿Llegando estás?
Sí, vos, Simón.
Llegando.
Ahí está Socié, ladies and gentlemen. We have Socié in the house, getting ready for tonight's celebration. He's the one and only Socié style.